Nina. So today I'm going to do a shopping haul for the month of October. Since kasi, hindi kami masyado nakakapasyal. So, yan lang yung shopping ko, I guess, for the month of October. I think the items are from Forever 21 and SM Department Store. So, yeah. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'll start with SM Department Store. First, we bought this camera case. It's from Case Logic. It's color black and it has two compartments. The mini compartment and the main compartment where the camera is located. Then sa school supply section, we bought this glue gun. Syempre, we bought din the balang glue stick, glue gun, and glue thing at the school supply section is this magnetic something. Says never give up. Kasi last week is our exam. I'm reviewing then. And nakadikit siya sa whiteboard. So, those are from GTW Urban. Thing I bought. The first tissue is this. Then, ito naman, it's a Queen 7. It's in color black naman. So, then, last shirt from SM Department Store is this gray greenish short. 4-patch diamonds heart na may note. Then, M. Gilid sa may arms. Oh, how punk. So, that's all from SM Department Store. And let's move on to H&M. That's all from SM Department Store. Let's move on to Forever 21. So, I bought 4 items here. Una, ang nabili namin is this shorts. Next is this shirt. It's polo, then I will make it a cardigan. Then this next item is similar as that. Itong jacket. Ayan. Full jacket. With bag. Yeah. Last thing I bought at F21 is this hair clip. It's so cute, diba? Tagal ko nang may gusto nito, but ayun ko pa siya. Ay, sige. It's in color yellow, pink, and white. Yeah. So, I think that's all for today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click the red subscribe button below to see more of this face. And my social medias will be linked in the description box below. And see you on my next video. Bye!
Time to impress. Come and climb in my bed. Don't be shy, do your thing.